Alright guys, Richard here. I am headed home, so I'm not sure if you saw my other videos that just came out, but I made a trip over to, let's jump up here on the sidewalk because we're allowed to. I headed over to Emma and Devin's house to grab the Truxus links because I needed to do a fourth video using the Truxus. I promised the company, so, and Emma has that bike now. So I went over, borrowed it, took it out for a little bit. First of all, I recorded a video getting over here, and so you probably saw that video. Then the next video I made was the Truxus links, talking about that. And then I made a video while I was over there, someplace kind of new and different. I made a video with the ENGWE M-20 doing the full review video, so make sure you check that out. So that was video number 3. Now we're headed home, and this is video number 4. I think they were honking at the lady, not me, because I'm in my bike lane. Although he looked a bit like a sourpuss, but who knows? Maybe that was his spouse. Shouldn't judge, right? You don't judge people by the way they look. He just had that grumpy look on his face. So who knows who he was honking at. No one behind us. We're going to jump in over here to the turning lane. And if traffic is low, we're going to go ahead and cross the street now. Let's stop right here. Nobody coming in either direction. So we're just going to go ahead and jump on out all the way across and get over here onto this familiar sidewalk to get us home. So let's see, when I was out filming the first video before I reached Emma and Devin's house, I was on that I was on like a little crushed shell pathway, zipping along, and didn't see the snake. Oh my goodness. I believe it was a corn snake, and it was stretched across the path. And he wasn't moving until I got close, and then he started moving to get out of my way, and that's when I realized that it was a snake. But oh my goodness, he was big. Well, he wasn't big, he was long. There's a difference. You know, pythons, you know, they're long. They're big. But this guy was skinny, but really, really long. I say really long. He's probably 4 feet. I'll have to look at the video. But orange and rusty brown kind of color. So that's why I said I think it's a corn snake. I'm not real familiar with snakes, so I don't know for sure. You guys tell me. I'll probably put a picture of it up or a video of it up. You can tell me what you think it was. All right. Whew. So because I'm riding the ENGWE M-20 today, this bike does not have a front basket or even a place to attach one. It does not have a rear rack or a place to attach one. So I don't have any tools with me. I don't have anything. I don't even have my water bottle with me. And I'm getting thirsty because I've been talking a lot, doing 4 videos. Whew. So I'm eager to get back home and get some water. And luckily it's not a stupid hot day today. It's pretty mild. But still. All right. We are only a mile from home. So I think they've stopped the construction work here because they just don't seem to be doing anything. Ouch, that's a rough hit. They just don't seem to be doing much of anything here. I don't know. Sooner or later, maybe, we are going to have to get in the street. Now's a good chance to do it. No one coming too close. There we go. All right. One thing I don't care for about this bike, and I didn't mention it in the review video. I should have. I mentioned the fact that this has a full, I guess that's called a full twist throttle, right? Because the whole thing is a twist throttle, but it'll only twist halfway. I don't know. But anyway, I don't care for that. I wish it was the just a small half twist throttle, because that way you can rest your hand there and not accidentally bump the throttle, and I like that. But with this thing, I'm constantly hitting that throttle. I don't care for that so much. Oh well. No one behind us, no one coming across. Whew. I am a little tired of having my cheese. That's twice I've said that. A little tired of having my knees up in my chest too. So I would say this bike is great for someone who's maybe, well, I don't know. Because I was going to say maybe 5'3", 5'4", but I think Amanda's 5'4", and she could reach the ground. When she was sitting on it, she could reach the ground okay. And her legs didn't come up into her chest quite as much as mine did, because I'm the one that's got the long legs. So, well, this is a backlog here. So that guy's trying to get in, but he can't. So, he must be visiting someone. He's got to call and wait for them to open the gate for him. And meanwhile, the other residents stacked up behind him are like, we're just trying to get home, right? Whew. Alright guys, we're almost back home, so we're going to go ahead and cut out this video, stop this video right here. So it's been a fun afternoon. It's been a good ride. I don't get attacked by a dog. So we're going to go ahead and end it here. So hey, if you have any questions, drop them down below. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. And until the next video drops, ride safe.